Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, June 8th. It's about 8:55 right now, so nearly 9 o'clock. I just woke up and I'm gonna be taking you guys through a day in my life today. So on today's agenda, I'm in an online course for the summer, or for the next 4 weeks basically. So I need to do some work for that. I also need to shoot some content for a brand deal. I wanna get a workout in at some point today, and I think that's it. Anyway, first things first, I'm craving coffee. Literally, I go to bed and I'm just excited to wake up and have coffee and breakfast. So let's go do that. What? Okay guys, so this is the secret to the best oatmeal ever. It's so good. So basically, I microwave like a serving of oatmeal and then a whole peach cut up into it. So the peach like kind of cooks and warms up. And then I add like a handful of this coconut chia granola just to add some crunch to it. Just a little bit of that. And then to make it a little bit sweeter, add a little bit of this sugar-free syrup. Just a tiny bit though, because it's like kind of sweet on its own. And I'm telling you, it literally tastes like a peach cobbler. Like so freaking good. Please try it and tag me if you try it and it will change your life. Like it's actually like dessert, it's so freaking good. Now for a little bit of work, unfortunately, it has to happen. Today I'm just reading one chapter, chapter 5, and then just like taking notes on it. I usually do like a little split screen thing, and then I'm taking all my notes on this one Microsoft document, which is like 30 pages now. But basically like how this works is, since it's an online course, and it was always meant to be an online course, like I signed up for this before Corona, so nothing changed in the curriculum, it's just going on as normal. But basically the professor just posts like a bunch of assignments every week, and it's due at the end of the week, and then you like read the chapters and do the assignments at your own pace basically. The way I'm doing it though is I'm basically just like spreading it out Monday through Friday, so I don't really have to do stuff on the weekends. And that way I don't spend more than like 2 or 3 hours a day on schoolwork, and it's not that bad. I mean, it's kind of hard. I didn't do great on the last exam, but you know, I don't think any of the exams are cumulative, so I'm just gonna do better this time. To take a little lunch break. I'm almost done. Like I have like one section left. It's already 12:30 and I thought I'd be done this like 12 at the latest, so that's not great. But anyway, my beautiful lunch. I made a fire sandwich. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm sure it's gonna be good. Okay, go Acorn. Her favorite food is baby carrots, so sorry about that. We got whole wheat bread, turkey, a piece of turkey bacon, lettuce, avocado. What else did I put on here? Oh, some honey mustard. Amazing. She always takes it away to eat it like hidden from the rest of us so no one can take her carrot. Okay, next up on the agenda, I need to shoot a little campaign thing for Nair/CVS. Luckily, it's a pretty laid back look they're going for, so I didn't really have to get ready too much. I just put my hair up in this little clip, and then I was wearing this knit top from Aritzia, and then I think these shorts are from Target, maybe. I want to shoot in the bathroom, and I'm gonna use my parents' bathroom just because it has like a big bathtub. It's a lot cuter than mine, so we're gonna try to make that look good. Here is bathtub. Okay, I brought some props just because I feel like it needs a little something. Okay, and now that I got my little set going on, I'm gonna get some close-up product shots and then some of me with the product, and hopefully try to get a little narrative together. I need like 5 photos-ish, so they're definitely requiring more than like I normally would for a sponsored post. But there's also 2 products, so it kind of makes sense. This tripod actually sucks, but it's the only one I have that goes sideways. Okay, camera is set up, and I have it set up on my phone so I can see what it looks like and then take a picture. We're taking the workout outside today because it's so nice and this room has no windows and it makes me feel sad. Yay, sunshine. It's actually not that hot, it's nice. So we're gonna do 30 minutes of some kind of strength and then I'm gonna swim for 30 minutes. I haven't been able to do much because I hurt my shin. Like, I always get shin splints, but I don't think it's a shin splint this time. So I've been doing like a lot of strength and then swimming, which is different for me. But it's kind of nice because it's warm out, and even though I guess I am sweating, I don't feel like I'm sweating, so it feels like not as exhausting. Okay, let's do 12-minute Pamela Reef. Then we can do the other butt workout that has like squats in it.
Oh my gosh, I can literally...
Alright, we're starting!
I can open it. Wait, I've done this one before.
I know, I sent it to you. Trying out a bit of a new recipe. I found this on Pinterest and I've had it pinned for a really long time. Now we're finally making it. So it's kind of like this crispy cauliflower rice bowl thing. I'll link it down below, but if it's not good, maybe you don't want to try it. I'll let you know how it tastes, but here we got some nice toppings. We made this little sauce, a green onion, sesame seeds, red pepper, avocado, edamame. Then we got a bunch of brown rice over here. And then in the oven, then we got the cauliflower cooking in here. It's ready. Little bit of rice. So much cauliflower. Other people have to eat. Oh my god, there's like tons for you. Edamame, avocado, some sauce, a little bit of onion, sesame seeds. It's good. I want more sauce though. The sauce is really good. I always forget to vlog like after dinner. I just don't really do anything for like the last 6 hours of the day, but I did actually manage to edit a lot of the photos I shot today for the campaign and get those stories done, so that was very unlike me. But I think now I'm just gonna chill, watch TV, watch a lot of TikToks, so that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok with the Ella_Elbells. So go ahead and follow me both of those if you are not already, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!